I hope everyone's doing well. I am Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me for this chemistry question. It's an interesting one. We are given 3 kilograms of freon, which is a CFC, a chlorofluorocarbon gas. How many kilograms of chlorine would you find in 3 kilograms of freon? The formula for freon is CF2Cl2. How many kilograms of chlorine will be in 3 kilograms of this? Well, it's not a difficult question at all. It's a factor label method, the concept of mole, molar mass, and grams all coming into this question. Look, let's start here by determining the molar mass of this. We have a carbon atom, we have 2 fluorines and 2 chlorines. In terms of molar mass, you know carbon to be 12, fluorine is 19, so we'll do 19 times 2, and we will do for chlorine 35 times 2. We have here 120, but really chlorine is 35.5, so I'll up it up to 121 grams per mole. And again, you can look at the calculation. We'll do 35.5 times 2 for chlorine plus 19 times 2 for fluorine plus 12. We're getting 121, so it'll be a more accurate of a representation. Now let's do our factor label method. We have to determine the kilograms of chlorine, but we'll start everything here with grams. Mole here is given in grams, so 3 kilograms is equal to 3000 grams of freon. So look how the factor label method starts. 3000 grams of freon times 1 mole of freon has 121 grams in it. 121 grams per mole is the molar mass, and I have over here in this formula 2 moles of chlorine for each 1 mole of freon. But we also know in terms of the molar mass, each mole of chlorine is 35.5 grams. So we'll do 35.5 grams chlorine per mole chlorine. Now look, this right here is a factor label method. Everything will cancel out except for that which you don't want to cancel out. You know, for clarity, I have here 3000 grams of freon, then 1 mole of freon per 121 grams. I should have written here freon, so it would look better. It's 121 grams of freon per mole of freon. But now look, everything will cancel out. I have grams of freon, moles of freon, mole of chlorine, mole of chlorine. The only thing which remains is my grams of chlorine, which is what I'm really looking for, but I can easily convert it to kilograms. I have over here in the numerator 3000 times 2 times 35.5 divided by 121, and then what we can do is even divide it by 1000 to convert it into kilograms. To convert grams into kilograms, we'll have that conversion in there. So let's do this. We have 3000 times 2 times 35.5 divided by 121 divided by that 1000, and my answer here will be 1.76. so it's a good answer, and it should be a right answer. 1.76 kilograms, or you can say 1760 grams of chlorine per 3 kilograms of freon. And that's going to show you that chlorine represents a large proportion or percentage of freon simply because its molecular weight is the largest. And the answer is right. Our answer I'm putting for you right here, 1.76 kilograms of chlorine will be present in your sample of 3 kilograms of freon gas. And that's it for this video. Thank you.